Hi guys, uh, today we are going to start our new concept which is automation testing with the Selenium WebDriver. So our very first topic is to automate any web application. The first thing in our mind is to launch browser, just like Chrome, IE, Firefox. We need to launch the browser first of all, and then we are going to perform some activities. So our very first topic is to launch browser Chrome, Firefox and IE. Uh, to launch Chrome browser, we require some support drivers. Just like to launch a Chrome browser, we need to use ChromeDriver. Okay, and if you want to launch the Firefox browser, we need a Gecko driver. Gecko is used for the launch Firefox browser, and for the IE browser, which is the Internet Explorer, we require IE driver. So let's start with the practical, and we are going to launch our browser. So I am using Eclipse, and inside Eclipse we create one project to launch our browser. So let's start with the practical. So I create a new project using Java. I create a Java project. I use name as a launch browser. Okay guys, and okay, let's click on next. Click on the finish. Click on open perspective. It will take some time. Okay, so as you can see here, our project is created. So let's okay, to work on the automation testing with Selenium, the root jar is known as a Selenium WebDriver standalone jar. Without this jar file, we are not able to launch a single web page, a single browser also. So Selenium server standalone jar is work as a root for the automation testing. In After this video, I will share the link for each and every jar files, each and every drivers which we need to use to automate web application in a description box. So I already downloaded the Selenium server standalone jar, ChromeDriver also, Gecko for Firefox and IE for Internet Explorer. So we need to import all jar files driver in our project. So our first step is to import Selenium server standalone jar in our project. So just right click on your project and click on the build path. Okay, I will show you again. Right click on the project, click on the build path, click on the configure build path. Okay, and so as you can see here, there are library section. Click on the library and add external jar. Now I have stored my jar in a E drive. So as you can see here, our jar is added, and click on the apply and close. So as you can see here, our reference library with Selenium server standalone jar is imported. Now the second step is to create a class, or okay, we create a class. Okay, the name of the class is Chrome browser. Chrome browser with main method. Click on finish. It will take some time to create a class for us. So let me maximize this. We create one method, public static, and we don't need to return, so we use, and the name of the method is launch Chrome browser. Okay, Control Shift F. So we create one method. Inside this method we define the logic to launch the browser. So as I said already, to launch the Chrome browser we need to download ChromeDriver. So I already downloaded ChromeDriver, so let's use it and launch our application. So we need to use one class, system dot, it comes from the link system dot set property method are there, just with content key and value. Okay, key and its value. Then we need the parent class, which is a WebDriver. It comes from the Selenium. See guys, Selenium WebDriver is an interface, org open ka Selenium. So we import from Selenium WebDriver driver is equal to new. We use new ChromeDriver. Okay, and we are launched our Google. Okay, so we use one method is there inside the WebDriver interface, so we use driver dot get method is there, and inside the get method we define the link https www.google.com. okay, now the second step is to define key and value for the Chrome. So the key work is a WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver and the location of our Chrome driver. So the location I will take from Chrome driver exe file. Just copy the location and paste as a value. So as you can see here, we are almost completed most of the steps. We use system.set property. We define ChromeDriver.Chrome because we are going to launch Chrome, and we define the location of the Chrome driver. We use WebDriver interface. We create the reference variable of the parent class, and the driver get method is comes from this WebDriver interface. So we are good to go. Just call this method inside the main method. So we use launch Chrome browser. Just save the project and click on the run. Let's wait for the result. It will take some time. So as you can see, your Chrome browser is preparing for the launch, and see it's open Google or not. Yeah, it opened Google homepage. Okay guys, so our first task is complete. We launched our Chrome browser, as well as we launched our first web page. You have changed your web page based on your requirement, which you need to automate, and you are ready to go for the automation. So let me minimize it takes some time. So as you can see, our browser is launched here. Okay, it's depend on your network. Sometimes it will take some time.